What you gotta say?
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Christina. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell for future notifications for more videos like this. Stay tuned as we celebrate the fabulousness of natural black hair and empower you to embrace and care for your beautiful, unique curls as well. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of hair care, self-expression, and how it's so much more than just shampoo and conditioner. Our hair is like a magical crown that speaks volumes about who we are and how we express ourselves. It's time to give our luscious locks the love and care they deserve. By the end of this video, I hope you get some hair care education and a dash of inspiration as we explore how beautifully and wonderfully made our natural hair is. So let's dive right into this adventure. So today I'll be doing Bella's hair, and this is Bella. Hey Bella, looking at the camera. Oh my goodness, look at her. Look at me, little cute. Now today I'll be doing Bella's hair, and for those of you who do not know, or this is probably like the first time you're seeing us on YouTube, yes, Bella is my daughter. It's my firstborn, the one and only, and I call her Bella Bean, or Bells, or Belle, or Bella Ella, or cute. You have to say it twice because she's just that cute. Oh my gosh. So Bella was born with a full head of hair, and in this video she's actually about 3 or 4 months old right now. So if you're interested in seeing how I wash, detangle, and style Bella's hair, keep watching until the end of the video.
I'm gonna try it out. Bella, you wanna look at the camera, mama? Bella Bean. Bella, Bella. 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 Hey. You gonna join us? Say, hey, today I'm gonna get my hair done. Cause mommy got her hair done. Yeah, mommy got her hair done. I need your hair done too, mama. So we're gonna be using some products from the Heyy Moisture line. And we got these. We'll be using these in your hair, mama, okay? Those and this. Okay? You wanna read the label?
So, as the mom, I am so glad that she has a lot of hair, but that means that I have to do her hair and take care of it. And with that, this is why I am creating this video, just to show you guys how I actually take care of Bella's hair and how I wash, detangle, and style Bella's hair. So keep watching. Now, how many of us have faced challenges finding the right products and routines for our hair? Furthermore, I can bet that there's millions of black people that simply just don't know how to do their hair, and that's fine too, because you're gonna learn something today about hair care. There have been many times I even walked into a store and the black hair care section is looking scarce, and I mean limited, like there's only a small variety of items available that actually cater to our hair. Fortunately, there are amazing black hair care product lines like Heyy Moisture and Mielle that have emerged, created by black entrepreneurs who understand our needs and provided us with solutions tailored to our unique hair textures. Isn't that great? Now, our hair is like a personal work of art because it tells the world who we are and how we express ourselves. And speaking of works of art, if you like art, you're an art collector, or maybe you're an artistic, creative person like me, make sure to click the link in the description below or somewhere on this video and check out my art website at www.drawnbychristina.com. Now, before I get off topic, give your hair the love and care it deserves because it's our ultimate form of self-expression. But hold up, here's the real tea. Our hair represents who we are, our heritage, and our individuality. It's a crown we should wear proudly, and sometimes a lot of African American women just don't. And it's time we give it the love and attention it deserves. And if you haven't started already, it's not too late, baby girl. Taking care of our natural hair is more than just a routine. It's an act of self-care, self-love, and self-expression. Overall, having healthy, gorgeous hair is a lifestyle. But first things first, let's talk about those amazing black hair care product lines that have become our holy grail. You know what we're talking about, Shea Moisture and My L. Now, I know some might even consider Cantu to be an old school favorite, and there's many others out there. But we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about these two specifically, because these products were originally created by black entrepreneurs who truly understood our hair needs, and boy, did they deliver. But wait, hold the phone. We've got some tea to spill. You might have heard that these beloved companies have recently sold their souls. Oops. Well, we mean their companies to non-black individuals or corporations, yada, yada, yada. When I found out about this, I was literally devastated. It's like discovering a new chocolate delicacy, which you love, right? Then you find out your favorite chocolate dessert is now being made by someone who never tasted chocolate. Let's take it a step further and say they even took all the chocolate out and added substitutes in it, so now it don't even look, feel, and it definitely don't taste the same. The worst part is they even added nuts, and you're allergic to these nuts. So you now have to go try, and hopefully you like another great chocolate delicacy. Crazy, right? But I digress. Now, let's watch what's going on with Bella Bean.
Some more. What you gotta say? You fake crying? Look. I'm sorry. Bella Bean. You're not even crying right now. Okay. Alright, let me get you some. You sleepy? You don't want me to do your hair right now. You're sleepy. It's okay, baby. You can go to sleep. So I'm gonna continue.
I used to love Shea Moisture so much. As you can see in this video, I'm using it right now. But this is obviously before they became a sellout and changed the formula on us. Like, what was that about? Okay. But this was the only product I felt confident to use in mine and my daughter's hair. But now it's probably watered down with cheap, toxic chemicals like all the other used-to-be black-owned hair care lines, and I'm not for it. That's really how they got us out here looking, using their products just to turn around and stab us in the back of our heads. Okay, so drama aside, it's essential to discuss the impact of these changes because our community has been the backbone of these brands, and we want to make sure our voices and needs continue to be heard. So let's keep the conversation going, folks. Firstly, when black-owned businesses thrive, it means more representation and diversity in the beauty industry. Our hair textures and needs are unique, and who better to create products that truly understand us than black entrepreneurs themselves who create hair care for black people. Secondly, when we support black-owned businesses, we're investing in our own communities. It's like keeping the dollars circulating within our community, creating opportunities, and empowering future entrepreneurs. And that's what you want. Black excellence. Lastly, black-owned companies have always been at the forefront of innovation, creating products that cater specifically to our hair types. By supporting these businesses, we ensure that our hair care needs continue to be met and that our voices are heard in the beauty industry. But hey, let's not forget the silver lining. There are still plenty of amazing black-owned hair care brands out there waiting to make your hair pop like fireworks. So let's show our support and keep the dollars flowing within the community in that direction. And I don't mind giving some new black hair care brands a try. So if you're watching this and you're a black hair care brand, please reach out to me. And I'll leave all my contact information down below in the description where you can contact me about your brand and I may give you a shout out. Now let's get down to business and talk hair care tips that will have your hair looking fabulous and feeling healthy. Are you ready? Go! 1. Hydration Nation. Our hair loves moisture more than New Yorkers love pizza. And I love pizza, okay? So grab those moisturizing shampoos, conditioners, and leave-in treatments to keep your locks hydrated, bouncy, and ready to slay. 2. Show some love. Gentle handling is key. Treat your hair like it's made of the finest silk or a flower, which, let's be honest, it practically is. Avoid harsh brushing and be extra gentle when detangling to prevent breakage. Detangling can be a real struggle, especially if you're tender-headed like me. Ooh. But fear not. Start from the ends and work your way up with a wide tooth comb or your fingers. Trust me, your hair will thank you for being gentle and patient. 3. Protective playtime. Have some fun with protective styles like braids, twists, and updos. They not only shield your hair from the elements, but also protect your hair from breakage and damage. Plus, they give you the opportunity to rock different looks and unleash your inner hairstylist. So go crazy, girl. 4. Healthy snips. Regular trims are like a mini makeover for your hair. It promotes healthy growth. It keeps those split ends at bay, and it helps your hair stay healthy and happy. But don't trim too often. I like to trim maybe once or twice a year just to keep track of my growth and give my hair time to grow out before the next trim. So don't be afraid to book those trim appointments at least 1 to 2 times a year and embrace a new look. 5. Express yourself. Your hair is your superpower. Use it to express your unique style and personality. From fierce froze to elegant updos, you can do anything. Let your hair tell your story though. Confidence is key. Your hair is your crown, and confidence is what makes it shine. So shine like a diamond, baby girl, okay? Embrace your unique beauty, experiment with different styles, and let your hair be an extension of an incredible personality. Remember, folks, your hair is your personal masterpiece. It's the icing on the cake that is you. So embrace those curls, kinks, and coils, and let your hair be the ultimate form of self-expression. And there you have it, my fabulous queens, the keys to taking care of your natural hair and expressing yourselves. Remember, your hair is a canvas for creativity, confidence, and celebrating your unique beauty. So, before we wrap up, always remember that embracing your natural hair is a statement of self-love and empowerment. Rock your curls, coils, and kinks with pride because you are absolutely stunning just the way you are. So thanks for hanging out with us today. Keep slaying those hairstyles, expressing your fabulous selves, and remember, supporting Black-owned businesses is not just about great products. It's about supporting our communities and empowering future generations. Well, I hope this hair care adventure has left you feeling inspired. Stay tuned for more hair-raising tips and tricks and just ready to take on the world with your fabulous natural hair. Thank you for joining us today, fabulous friends. Remember, life is too short for boring hair, so let's keep embracing our natural beauty, having fun, and making every day a great hair day. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell for future notifications on my next video. In the meantime, stay blessed and keep being great.